Oh my gosh.
This doesn't look like
It doesn't even look like the same house.
I have no words at all. We could have never done this. Never, ever have done this for the kids. And this is just, it's amazing. Amazing.
It's very overwhelming because usually the first thing you see is EB. And so when we first walked in, you really can't see any of that.
The family we're surprising today is in desperate need of a rescue. Mom works full-time, Dad's a retired sheriff's officer. They have home issues, health issues, kid issues, dog issues, you name it, they're dealing with it. But those home issues, that's where I can help.
Brooke does have motor dyspraxia, which means is she's a little bit uncoordinated, but she has come a long way as far as her learning.
The important thing for me is my daughter knows that she's loved and we support her and we help her as much as we can. The outside sun porch, and it's a dismal space. I would like to see the space fixed and utilized for our puppies and for our children.
It is very difficult because we have to make sure the bills are paid as well as having our kids and our dogs' needs met first.
You ready? Wow, this is amazing. It's so beautiful.
What a transformation this is.
Brooke, how do you like the new room?
I love it.
Why do you love it?
Because I love my animals.
We have places for the dogs.
Beds for all the dogs.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's great. This is incredible. We actually have a real yard. I didn't envision this at all. This is the space that always should have been here. Now it actually feels like a home.
3 months after Audrey was born, she was diagnosed with microcephaly, which is a rare neurological disorder. It's often related to the Zika virus. Audrey has this unbreakable spirit and support system, and she has defied all the odds. Where are we right now? Whose house is? Oh, man. Oh, you make it all worth it. Hey, we got some special things for you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you get a hug.
Come on, bring her. Come, bring Mom. Bring.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness. You want to go in? You love it?
Because she's been in a crib and we were so afraid to take her out and switch her to a bed.
It's a sleep-safe bed, so the whole idea behind it is to help people with disabilities and make sure that they're safe and comfortable in their beds.
And she can see us out so she won't be scared. I
Yeah,
love it.
yeah.
I love it.
Our daughter Cameron, she was born July 31st, 2014, and from the second she was born, she was a fighter. She came into this world not breathing, with what was described as inexplicable breathing issues. Nobody could tell us why. The first year and a half of her life, she was constantly sick, all different types of respiratory issues. They tested her, and 4 weeks later, on July 26th, 2018, we get the call. Cameron has what's called Sanfilippo syndrome type A.
Sanfilippo syndrome is a rare metabolic disorder affecting approximately 1 in 70,000 children. This devastating and progressive genetic condition primarily affects the brain. With 2 frightening medical battles affecting their daily life, the last thing these parents should be worrying about is home renovation projects, especially one in the family room that's now presenting safety issues for Cameron.
Cameron, we know, is going to have difficulty with the stairs. That part is already starting. We know that we need to make our house safe for her. But with everything that's going on, even just the emotional aspect of it, it's hard enough to get through the days as it is.
Sometimes our day-to-day life just not only takes up our resources, but takes up our time as well, and so many things get put off. That's why the list gets longer, not shorter.
Oh my gosh.
This doesn't look
It
like
doesn't
the same
even look like the
house.
same house.
This doesn't look like the same house.
Before we got here, I was just so excited. I just knew that whatever George and the team were going to do was going to be unbelievable. I just never would have thought it was going to be as beautiful as it is in there now.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks so much bigger in here, like it doesn't even look like the same room.
Oh my God, this is unbelievable.
This is beautiful. Come here, sweetie.
Immediately upon walking in, the sunken floor was something I wasn't sure if it was going to survive the rescue. I looked right over there and I saw that it was flattened out.
You get all the space that you can run, and now she doesn't have to worry about falling into that pit. It's safer for Cameron. Like, she could run around in there. We don't have to worry about her falling over anything. We could actually sit on a couch and have her play in that corner. Today has been an unbelievable day. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, it's just been...
Everything has been way bigger than I ever thought it was going to be, and I'm sure you did too. Like, obviously the room is more fantastic than I could have ever imagined.
Robbie was born with a very rare skin disorder called epidermolysis bullosa, or EB for short. The doctors told us he'd never come home, and as a mom, you're like, what?
Explain, Kathy, what it is that Robbie has.
Basically, at birth, he had no skin on either leg.
If you know Velcro, Robert's lacking the teeth that are in Velcro. So any type of friction or trauma to Robert would cause his skin to blister.
Today, he still has no skin on either leg, and about 75% of his body is wrapped in bandages.
I have bandages on my feet, on my legs, on my back, sometimes on my hands.
Robbie's bedroom is a constant reminder of his daily struggles. I am confident there's something I can do to change that.
Whoa, I see something nice for you, Robs, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, dude.
What's up, guys?
Hey!
I controlled all of the elements of construction, but I just was not able to control the weather. I'm sorry about that.
Give George a 5, Rob.
Thank you.
What's up, bud?
Hi.
So what do you say we get out of this awful rain and go check it out?
Sounds great.
Yeah.
Sound good? You guys excited?
Yes.
Very.
All right, follow me.
Shoot.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Holy shit.
Robbie can't say that.
I can't get over this. You have the greatest room I've ever seen in my life.
We knew that you liked orange.
Thank you for not painting the room orange. It's absolutely perfect.
What we're able to do for you is we're able to give you this built-in changing table so that when you need it, it's here for you.
Oh wow, there you go.
Wow.
That works.
All right.
Wow. And then you can fold it all up. You don't have to see it anymore.
He's growing up, he's 13. It's a big guy's room, and so functional. George nailed it.
Yeah.
Yep, the whole team nailed it.
It's so nice.
It is amazing.
It's very overwhelming because usually the first thing you see is EB. And so when we first walked in, you really can't see any of that.
Lara and Lucas Marini have both been diagnosed with Cockayne syndrome, a rare genetic, rapid aging disorder that significantly affects their development and lifestyle. Amy and Cliff do so much to support their kids, but one thing that is still on the bucket list is a major basement renovation to support Lara and Lucas's special needs and spirit. Oh, these butterflies. What do you think?
Oh my God.
Put you down?
Holy moly. Wow.
Look, Lucas. I mean, my first thing, I noticed there was butterflies on the wall. Those weren't there before. The steps are carpeted. I mean, it just looked, everything was different from the start.
It's so open and airy, and all the amazing features that all of the team put together. This doesn't even look like the same basement. You're just in shock that, like, I cannot believe that this is my house. This tree is insane.
Look at the bear.
Look,
This is your bear cave.
go in, let's see. Oh my gosh. There's a bed in here. Who's gonna sleep in this bed? Mommy's.
What do you think of this little bear cave, bud?
Oh my gosh. Oh.
We saw, Lucas was smiling, Lara, I mean, all the kids.
Yeah, Lucas got very noisy, which means he's happy.
Oh, yeah, that's the idea. We wanted a comfy, safe place for you to take naps. Maybe Lucas just wants a little time in his cave. I know how that is.
I have no words. I have no words at all. We could have never done this. Never, ever have done this for the kids. And this is just, it's amazing. Amazing.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.